These 40 road signs appear on every driving test. Learn them, and you're guaranteed to succeed. Okay, let's dive in. What road sign is this? A. Give way ahead. B. Traffic has priority ahead. Good observation. This is the give way ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Pedestrians ahead. B. Zebra crossing. Correct. This is the zebra crossing sign. Identify this road sign. A. Entrance to a 20-mile-per-hour zone. B. Maximum speed 20 miles per hour. Excellent! This sign shows the maximum speed 20 miles per hour. What is this road sign? A. No entry. B. No through road. Well spotted. This sign prohibits entry in the area. Guess this traffic sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Traffic signals ahead. That is right. This sign warns of an upcoming traffic signal. Identify this road sign. A. Roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. Correct. This sign warns of an upcoming roundabout. Name this traffic sign. A. National speed limit applies. B. Maximum speed 30 miles per hour. Excellent! This is the National Speed Limit Applies sign. This road sign is A. Loose chippings. B. Uneven road. Well spotted. This is the loose chippings warning sign. Guess this road sign. A. Bend to left. B. Turn left ahead. Correct. This sign warns drivers to a left bend ahead. Name this road sign. A. No cycling. B. No vehicle except push cycles. Excellent! This sign prohibits all vehicles except pushed cycles. Identify this road sign. A. Quayside or riverbank. B. Watercourse alongside road. Well spotted! This sign warns of a quayside or riverbank. Guess this traffic sign. A. Cattle. B. Cattle grid. That is right. This is the cattle warning sign. What is this road sign? A. Vehicular traffic must turn left. B. One-way traffic. Correct. This is the one-way traffic road sign. Name this road sign. A. Parking place for buses. B. Stopping place for buses. Excellent. This sign marks a designated parking place for buses. Identify this road sign. A. No vehicle over indicated length. B. No vehicle over indicated width. Well spotted. This sign prohibits vehicles over a certain length. Guess this road sign. A. Vehicular traffic must turn left. B. Turn left ahead. Correct. This is the left turn ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Level crossing with gate ahead. B. Level crossing without gate. Excellent. This is the level crossing with a gate sign. Name this road sign. A. Traffic merges onto the main carriageway. B. Traffic merges from the left. Correct. This sign shows traffic merging from the left. Identify this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Distance to a tourist information point. Well spotted. This sign marks a tourist information point. Guess this road sign. A. No through road. B. Dead end. That is right. This is the no through road sign. What is this road sign? A. Wigwag signal. B. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. Correct. This sign alerts driver to light signals at level crossing. Name this road sign. A. No vehicles carrying explosives. B. No vehicle carrying flammable light. Excellent. This sign prohibits vehicles carrying explosives. Identify this road sign. A. Risk of ice ahead. B. Ice or snow drifts. Well spotted. This sign warns of icy conditions ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. Maximum speed, 50 miles per hour. B. Temporary speed, advised of 50 miles per hour. Correct. This is the temporary speed of 50 miles per hour sign. What is this road sign? A. Route for use by pedal cycles only. B. With flow cycle lane. Excellent. This is a designated cycle-only route. Name this road sign. A. Parking place. B. Vehicles may park wholly on the verge. Correct? This sign permits vehicles to park wholly on the verge. Identify this road sign. A. Low arch bridge ahead. B. Height restriction. Well spotted. This is the low arch bridge warning sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Risk of fog ahead. B. Foggy conditions may exist. Excellent. This sign warns drivers of the presence of foggy conditions in the area. What is this road sign? A. Level crossing with gate ahead. B. Crossbuck. Correct. This sign marks a crossbuck at level crossing. Name this road sign. A. Risk of grounding at level crossing. B. Towed caravans prohibited. Well spotted. This is the risk of grounding warning sign. Identify this road sign. A. All 4 lanes closed. B. Both lanes closed. Correct. This sign shows all 4 lanes are closed. Guess this road sign. A. Electrified overhead cable ahead. B. An electrified third rail ahead. Excellent. This sign warns of an electrified third rail. What is this traffic sign? A. No cycling. B. No vehicle except pushed cycles. Correct. This sign prohibits cycling in the area. Name this road sign. A. End of controlled zone. B. End of temporary restrictions. Well spotted. This sign indicates the end of a controlled zone. Identify this traffic sign. A. End of motorway regulations. B. Start of motorway regulations. That is right. This sign shows the start of motorway regulations. Guess this traffic sign. A. Articulated vehicles prohibited. B. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. Correct. This sign prohibits articulated vehicles in the area. What is this road sign? A. Controlled parking zone. B. Bay reserved for loading and unloading only. Excellent. This sign marks a bay for loading and unloading. Name this road sign. A. Entrance to a motorway service area. B. Direction to a motorway at the junction. Well spotted. This sign marks an entrance to a motorway service area. Identify this traffic sign. A. Emergency diversion. B. A hollow square emergency diversion route marker. Correct. This is a hollow square emergency diversion route marker. Guess this road sign. A. End of motorway regulations. B. Leave motorway at next exit. Excellent. This sign marks the end of motorway regulations. Thanks for watching. If you want more driving test tips, road sign practice, and study materials, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell. Keep studying with the videos on your screen. See you next time.